For future XRP news and other cryptocurrency news in general, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Everything discussed in this video is summarized from the CoinMarketCap. Come on, look at this. XRP receives approval. Access to banks is now free. Wider acceptance is encouraged by the OCC's new regulation, which permits banks to offer cryptocurrency services like XRP custody while still adhering to conventional financial supervision. Clearer regulations that encourage financial institutions to support cryptocurrency services despite price volatility are responsible for XRP's growing trading volume and liquidity. A regulation shift that would give banks unrestricted access to XRP and other digital assets has been announced by the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, or OCC. By taking this action, financial institutions would be able to offer cryptocurrency-related services while still being subject to the same regulatory oversight as they are for conventional banking operations. This action follows several significant changes in the US government's position on cryptocurrencies, including President Donald Trump's creation of the US Strategic Crypto Reserve and the first-ever crypto symposium hosted at the White House. Regulations requiring supervisory permission before financial institutions could provide Bitcoin services were relaxed by the OCC. Financial institutions can now conduct transactions using stablecoins, offer custody services for cryptocurrencies, and participate in blockchain verification networks without requiring additional regulatory permits thanks to the new guidance. The OCC, the acting comptroller of the currency, expects banks to apply the same strict risk management procedures to cryptocurrency transactions as they do to traditional banking operations. The way has been paved for a deeper integration of Bitcoin services into the traditional banking system with the execution of this regulation amendment. By combining the regulation of digital assets with the existing laws governing the financial industry, the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, or OCC, aims to remove unnecessary obstacles and promote the broader use of crypto services within traditional banking. The impact of this law change on XRP and other digital assets is particularly noteworthy because XRP has historically had a tense relationship with the banking industry because of the regulatory ambiguities that have persisted until now. If financial institutions are given clearer guidance, they might be more inclined to advertise XRP-related services, which would boost its liquidity and widespread acceptance. A number of barriers that had previously prevented banks from providing services related to cryptocurrencies have been lifted as a result of the OCC's new policy. This suggests that XRP and other digital assets will have a more stable regulatory environment. With recent developments involving the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC of the United States, this action is being done during a period of transition in the cryptocurrency business. Given the changing regulatory environment, legal experts predict that the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, may shortly abandon its action against Ripple. The SEC hasn't formally dropped its lawsuit against Ripple, but if that happens, XRP's standing inside the financial system's ecosystem will be significantly enhanced. The potential impact of US cryptocurrency policy on market dynamics. The OCC's clarification is being released concurrently with other noteworthy occasions, including President Trump's announcement of the Strategic Crypto Reserve Program and the White House Crypto Summit. Given these advancements, it seems that a determined effort is underway to incorporate digital assets into the US financial system while maintaining regulatory protections. Although there has been improvement, several industry professionals remain concerned about Ripple's unresolved legal issues. As we mentioned in our last article, legal analyst Jeremy Hogan pointed out that the lawsuit is still pending due to a ruling made by Judge Annalisa Torres. This ruling prevents Ripple from directly selling XRP to institutional investors. The market performance of XRP. The market for XRP has remained active despite this recent development, with a notable rise in the number of transactions. The token is currently trading at 2.18, fall of 3.26% in value over the last day. Additionally, the transaction volume has increased by 126.78% to $7.72 billion as of right now. XRP's market value has dropped by 3.30% to $126.95 billion as of right now. At 58.4, the circulating supply of the cryptocurrency XRP is still volatile. This highlights the price fluctuations and market dynamics even more. The prediction is based on the general lack of clarity in the cryptocurrency market as a whole, as XRP continues to battle the bears near the $2 margin. To give you some context, earlier today, March 11, the price of XRP dropped to a low of $1.89. But in the end, it bounced back and took back the $2 barrier. Market analyst recently highlighted previous analysis he conducted about the potential price trajectory of XRP. Given that the negative price action is still ongoing, this study was conducted. According to Egreg's forecast, XRP may initiate a significant price surge in July 2024, emphasizing that if XRP follows the fractal that spans 2021 to 2024, the upswing may last for 1,186 days. XRP's cycle top, although XRP experienced a notable surge in the months after his announcement, it remained below the $1 mark. In contrast, the expert noted that the rise's longevity would probably be longer than his original prognosis had predicted. He claimed that XRP was currently following what he called cycle fractal that lasted from 2014 to 2018. The data on his chart indicates that the upward trend that took place during cycle lasted 1,492 days, which is equivalent to a longer period of higher gains. As a result, he predicted that the XRP cycle peak may happen in 1 of 2 months, both of which would take place in 2025. Greg first suggested that the high of this cycle for XRP might happen in May 2025, about 2 months after the apex of the present cycle. Despite this, he provided a different assessment, noting that 1,614 days would be involved if he were to measure the cycle a peak from the start of XRP's existence. If XRP keeps following this fractal pattern, the peak might be achieved by September 2025. As XRP investors continue to manage the ongoing volatility, EGRAG has lately drawn attention to this analysis. Even if XRP is presently declining in value,